His marriage came as a surprise. He was married and she was divorced, but somehow they still get married. As of 1st December 2025, Samantha and Raj are reported to be married. The wedding was a private ceremony at a temple in a serene setting. This effectively confirms that the rumors which circulated over the past 1 to 2 years were true. The marriage marks a new chapter for both. Samantha had earlier divorced her ex husband, and Raj was reportedly separated from his earlier marriage. Why rumors lasted so long? What fueled them? Frequent professional collaboration, which kept them. After months of circulation, Samantha Rutupavu has tied the knot with the family man co-creator Raj Nidimoru. The intimate ceremony took place at Sadhguru Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore, attended only by the couple's closest friends. The couple shared pictures from their wedding on their social media handles. Samantha took to Instagram to share the first pictures from her intimate wedding. The actors looked radiant in a red saree adorned with intricate jari work, paired with elegant gold jewelry. Raj complimented her perfectly in a white kurta, set layered with a big Nehru jacket, and posed joyfully for the cameras. In one of the photos, Samantha proudly showed off her stunning wedding ring. Samantha and Raj were rumored to be dating since early 2024 with curiosity. Depending after the actors subtly soft launched the filmmaker on Instagram through a series of posts despite the growing buzz. Neither of them publicly confirmed their relationship. The duo first collaborated on the Family Man season 2 in 2021, where Samantha played a pivotal role that earned acclaim. Their professional association continued with Honey Bunny co-starring Varun Dhawan further their bond. The dating rumors of Samantha Rutuprabhu. ఈ రోజు ఉదయాన్నే 7 గంటల 30 నిమిషాలకు మంచి ముహూర్తం ఉందని తెలుసుకొని వాళ్ళిద్దరూ అయితే ఇషా యోగా సెంటర్లో అయితే వివాహం అయితే చేసుకున్నారు. ఆ వివాహానికి తమ కుటుంబాలతో కాకుండా బంధుమిత్రులతో అయితే వివాహం అనేది జరుపుకున్నారు. 1 like, 1 share, 1 subscribe.